CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.3. Given a scenario, configure basic mobile device network connectivity and provide application support. Location services. In today's interconnected world, mobile device location services act as the bridge between the digital and physical worlds. These services allow devices to determine where they are and adjust applications and features accordingly. In this video segment, we'll focus on how location services work and how mobile devices use different technologies to pinpoint a user's location. Let's start with GPS, which stands for Global Positioning System. GPS is a network of satellites orbiting the Earth that transmit location and timing information. A GPS receiver, such as the one inside your smartphone, listens for signals from multiple satellites and uses that information to calculate its position. The more satellite signals the device receives, the more accurate the location becomes. This is why GPS works best outdoors with a clear view of the sky. Apart from GPS, cellular signals are also used for something known as device triangulation. This method utilizes the signal from cell towers. Your mobile device constantly communicates with nearby towers, and by measuring the strength of your signal to multiple towers, a location can be inferred. The more towers your device can see, the more precise the location. It's akin to finding the center point of a triangle when you know its 3 corners. Now that we understand how location data is gathered, it's important to address the security and privacy aspect of location services. Many applications rely on location data to function properly. For example, navigation apps, weather apps, and ride-sharing services all need to know where you are. Mobile operating systems allow users to control which applications have access to location data. By granting or denying permissions on an app-by-app basis, users can reduce the risk of unnecessary tracking and protect their privacy. Finally, mobile devices offer location accuracy settings that balance precision with battery usage. High accuracy mode uses multiple signal sources to determine location, including GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular networks. This mode provides the most precise location information, but consumes more battery power. Other modes may limit which technologies are used to conserve power, but high accuracy combines all available signals to deliver the most reliable location data. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.